Bitcoin technicals suggest bulls aim sharp move above 42K. Bitcoin price continues to increase, now reaching above the $41,500 resistance zone. The cryptocurrency has even cleared the $42,000 resistance zone and is currently sitting just above the 100 hourly simple moving average. And here's a chart of that there. The price of Bitcoin formed a high near $42,235 before it started a downside correction. The price fell below the $41,500 pivot level and even spiked below the $41,000 level, but it found support near the $40,900 level. A fresh base was formed and the price is now back above $41,500. Bitcoin climbed above the 50% fib retracement level of the recent decline from the $42,235 swing high to $40,900 low. It is now trading above 41.5 and the 100 hourly simple moving average. There is a key bullish trend line forming with support near 41,725 USD pair. And immediate resistance on the upside is near the $41,725 level. The $42,000 zone is a key resistance level as it is the fib retracement level of the recent decline. If the bulls can push the price above this level, the next target will be $43,200. If Bitcoin fails to clear the $42,000 resistance zone, it could start a downside correction. An immediate support on the downside is near the $41,250 level. The next major support is seen near the $41,000 level and the trend line zone. A downside break below the trend line might send the price to $40,750 or the 100 hourly simple moving average. So again, only time will tell where that goes. Up next here, Ape price aims at $18 while indicators say otherwise. Bored Ape NFT Apecoin is seeing huge popularity in the past few days, with its token value rising 56% from its April 18th low of $10.93. This growth is likely due to whale accumulation and a new launch announcement by founder Yuga Labs for its upcoming metaverse Otherside. As a result, the Ape price is seeing a 22% intraday gain and a new record high of $17.35. Apecoin was originally priced at $13.60, but the broader market conditions caused it to drop to $11. However, buyers were interested in this discounted price and the coin rebounded on April 18th. Following its correction, the price of Ape reached the $13.6 neckline of the cup and handle pattern. However, when the altcoin was announced to be integrated into the Metaverse project, it saw a massive influx of investment and breached both the 13.6 and weekly resistance of 15.5 in a single stroke. The post-retest rally from the 15 and 50 cent flipped support has accounted for an additional 8% gain, currently trading at the $16.36 mark. The sustained buying would push the Ape price to the March 18th high of $18. The technical chart shows the massive price jump, which has moved far ahead of the crucial EMA slopes 20, 50, and 100. However, an excessive distance between the price and moving average reflects aggressive buying in the market and would eventually revert the coin to stabilize the bull run. The RSI indicator 80 has seen a sharp rally, indicating strong bullish momentum. However, the slope may soon enter the overbought territory, which could lead to a pullback. So, obviously, as more news comes out about different coins are getting integrated more, investments are up, price goes up, then there's some pullback. That's kind of typical in the market. So we'll see kind of where the price falls after some of this hype has died down. Up next here, Ethereum Foundation assets 99% in ETH. At the end of last quarter, the Ethereum Foundation had invested $1.3 billion in cryptocurrencies. The majority of this was held in ETH, according to the foundation's latest report. This would be about 99.1% of the amount invested in digital assets in ETH out of a total invested of $1.6 billion. This amount of Ethereum was only 0.297% of the total supply at the end of March. The Ethereum Foundation believes in the potential of Ethereum and is holding this amount long term. There is also to say, though, that the foundation sold some of its holdings in digital assets when ETH was near its all-time high. This was in November 2021 when ETH exceeded $4,900. The organization has announced that it is increasing its non-crypto savings. The company says this is a move to reduce risk, as explained in the statement, continuing to fund non-core but highly leveraged projects during a market downturn. The Ethereum Foundation is part of a community of entities and individuals supporting the Ethereum ecosystem. In recent months, the Ethereum ecosystem has undergone major changes that could make it more competitive with other blockchains, such as Solana, Avalanche, or Cardano. Pretty interesting. Aya Miyaguchi, former managing director for Japan at cryptocurrency exchange Kraken, is the head of the Ethereum Foundation's new investment strategy. The Ethereum Foundation said it will systematically increase its non-crypto investments when ETH prices rise, noting that this offers a greater margin of safety for its core budget. So, diversifying their assets seems like a good idea. When you're involved in crypto, it's always good, I think, to have multiple, streams of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. They've always said that, right? Up next here, Cardano 88 price shows signs of higher breakout, and here's why. The Cardano 88 price is up by more than 8% in the last 2 days as the crypto market rebounds from recent lows. 88 traders are expecting a breakout in 88 price from the current level. A crowd sentiment becomes positive for the first time since mid-November. There is growing sentiment that the Cardano price will continue to rise, according to Sentiment's on-chain data analytics platform. The Cardano weighted social sentiment has jumped significantly from negative levels to positive levels in recent days, which indicates that investor confidence is increasing. 88 traders anticipate that, despite a decreasing price, Cardano is still oversold and could potentially go up to $1.20 or higher. Moreover, many analysts expect Cardano's price to go up significantly as the Cardano dApps are waiting for the Vassal hard fork in June. On April 18th, the total ADA staked has reached 76%, giving further hope to the Cardano community. Cardano has nearly 900 projects under development, with about 400 new projects added since March. The Cardano is witnessing a rapid increase in wallets, with over 100K created since last month. The total wallets now stand at 3.26 million. A modest increase in prices could be in store for the 9th largest cryptocurrency, thanks to growing interest in proof-of-staking blockchains. The token has benefited from increased attention in the lead up to Ethereum's big shift later this year. We talked a lot about that yesterday with all of the new projects moving to Cardano. So, I think that will definitely help to drive the price up. More about Ripple. I know we've been talking a lot about them lately, kind of just giving updates as they come in. This article is Ripple continues to exude confidence of scoring major win against the SEC. So we'll see what new they have to say here. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is feeling confident about their court case against the Securities and Exchange Commission. In a speech at the Paris Blockchain Week event, Garlinghouse told attendees that their defense has been much better than he expected. He also added that a win in the XRP lawsuit would set a good precedent for cryptos and exchanges that have suffered from several unfavorable regulations instituted by the SEC. The case, filed 15 months ago, alleges that Ripple, Garlinghouse CEO, and Chris Larsen conducted an illegal $1.3 billion in unregistered securities offerings. Garlinghouse also stated that there were to lose the case, a bad precedent would be set for the crypto world. Essentially, the proposal would mean that exchanges offering XRP would be forced to register with the SEC as security brokers. This would mandate everyone owning XRP tokens to register and be individually known to the SEC. Yeah, I don't see that happening. A lot of people, once this whole thing blew up, a lot of exchanges and brokers stopped, dealing with XRP. Last week, Ripple took home victory on an essential matter raised in the proceedings. The SEC's motion for reconsideration of deliberative process privilege, or DPP, was denied by a federal judge. The court's ruling is seen as a huge win for Ripple in the long-standing fight with the regulator. This battle has left Ripple buoyed and confident of success. A win for Ripple would be good news for cryptos that have been facing the walls of uncertainty. Who knows where this is going to go? I think that's awesome for any of you that are into Ripple, XRP, that believe in it. I know, it's very controversial. Hopefully this is over soon. This has been going on for a long time. Last but not least here, Maryland Porsche dealer now accepts Bitcoin payments. Look at this. Porsche Towson, a Porsche dealer located in Towson, Maryland, is now accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment, according to a tweet announcement by BitPay. BitPay is a payment processing company that aims to make it easier for businesses to accept Bitcoin as a payment method. I wonder if other Porsche dealers, I know there's other car dealers that accept Bitcoin and crypto as payment. I think this is just the beginning. Often businesses find it difficult to overcome the technical hurdles that come with using alternative payment methods. BitPay provides a solution that makes it easier for more businesses to use Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. Porsche Towson customers now can buy luxury vehicles with Bitcoin. This new option is in addition to traditional forms of financing, leasing, trade-ins, and other car purchasing methods. BitPay protects its users from Bitcoin pricing volatility. Merchants are paid out for products and services based on the time of purchase, minus a 1% transaction fee. Doesn't seem too bad. The Bitcoin payments service announced during the Bitcoin 2022 conference that it had added support for the Lightning Network. This will allow merchants that leverage BitPay to receive cheaper and faster payments through the Layer 2 protocol. That is pretty cool. If you're interested in getting a Porsche and want to pay in Bitcoin close to Maryland, that is something to definitely check out. That's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment on what you want to see in a future video, and we'll see you next time.